Jojo, riding his car that Aunt Missy gave him. I'm sucking his thumb now. I don't know why. He loves his car, Aunt Missy. He does get excited on it, although you'd never say it right this minute, would you? It's pretty casual right now. It's almost bedtime. Joey, show us your teeth. No. He knows how to get the music playing. Da, 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 da. Okay, here we go. Lift your feet. Oh. That's not going to work. I don't think they really want to see the back of your head.